and sir. My name is Josephine Baez Boluso, 48 years old, married. I have 4 kids. The first one is twins, all boys, 29 years old. The second one is girl, 27 years old. My young son is 20 years old. My work experience. First one is Singapore. My duties is take care of ama, also cooking, car wash, clean the house, wash the clothes, and marketing. My second experience is Hong Kong. My duties is take care of baby, 1 year old. Also, I cooking, cleaning, wash the clothes, and marketing. The third experience is Singapore. My duties is take care of 1 year old baby. Also, I cooking, cleaning, wash the clothes, car wash, and marketing. Ma'am and sir, if you choose me, I do my best and hard work. Also, I take care of your family and our family. God bless, ma'am and sir. Thank you.